And joining us now to talk about these latest developments is attorney Jeff Lewis. Thank you, Jeff, for joining us today.
Of course.
It was a 5-4 majority. It included John Roberts and Amy Coney Barrett. Surprising to you?
Yeah, very surprising the way this lined up, and very surprising the timing of this, that this decision came out this morning rather than last night before the president addressed the nation.
And the court didn't say when the money needs to be released, so this allows the White House to dispute the issue in the lower courts. How do you see that playing out?
Yeah, there is a hearing. I think it's scheduled for tomorrow morning, where there's going to be a hearing on a motion for preliminary injunction, where some of these issues are going to be played out in terms of what has to be paid and when. So in some ways, this order was kind of meaningless because it impacted a restraining order, a temporary restraining order. Tomorrow's hearings on a preliminary injunction.
You said you were surprised about the division. What does that division tell you about other impactful Trump-related cases coming up?
Well, you know, when it comes to the actual limitation on the executive's power, the power of the president to issue executive orders, this decision doesn't really say much, because this was a decision on the shadow docket without any real briefing, etc. But it does say are at least 5 justices who are willing to recognize some limitation on executive power.
And Alito wrote a strong dissent, saying that he was, quote, stunned by the decision to permit the lower court judge to order the administration to unfreeze the foreign aid. Explain for our viewers what he's talking about, the stunning part of this for Alito and for others.
Well, his biggest concern, the thrust of his argument is, look, if you let the stay in place, the money is frozen and could be paid years down the line. On the other hand, if the money goes out to these nonprofits, the U.S. government's never getting it back. So if that is your analysis and that's your framework, yeah, he was stunned that the U.S. government lost this argument, because that money's never coming back.
How do you see it playing out?
Well, it all comes down to the preliminary injunction hearing tomorrow, whenever that's held, and that will also wind its way up to the courts. And then the Supreme Court's going to have to tackle squarely the issue of, does the president have the right to effectively dismantle an agency? And does the president have the right to kind of countermand Congress in terms of stopping all spending? And it's a real separation of powers argument that the Supreme Court hasn't tackled yet. So that's how it's going to play out.
All right, and we know that there will be many more of these to talk about. We always appreciate your time. Hope you'll join us again, Jeff Lewis. Thank you so much.